Hi, Kelly. Hi, Kyla.
Hi, Felix.
Okay, I have to get a shot tomorrow. Can you show me what is going to happen?
Sure.
Okay. And what did you bring? What is this?
Okay, so what we do as nurses is we use an alcohol wipe so that it doesn't get infected. We rub your arm before we give the shot. And then we have you blow on a pinwheel during, just to kind of help you ease the pain.
Oh, they didn't do that for me. That's nice of you guys.
I know. Next time you can bring one.
It's a good trick.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then we give you the shot. And then afterwards, we put on a Band-Aid.
Okay.
And then you even get a cool sticker usually.
You got a sticker? I didn't get a sticker the other day.
Do you want one?
Really, Kelly?
Yeah,
I can get a sticker? Okay, yeah, right there.
Okay.
Right there. Look at my sticker. And it's that easy, huh?
Yeah, just that easy.
And now you will all be healthy and not get sick.
Right.
Ah, thank you. I feel better about shots now.
Good.